Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, I'm Noreen Iza Arshad from University Technology Petronas Malaysia, representing my team. The highlight of this presentation is to share with you on the Immersive Transformative Virtual Training and Learning Platform. Let me bring you to the issues that is collected and gathered from training providers. Number 1, the issues include no time for training. 2, outdated or boring content. 3, training that is irrelevant to the job. 4, zero or poor interaction during training. These are the most popular feedback received from training attendees once feedback are collected. Other training challenges include 1, information overload. 2, workforce resistant to attend trainings due to work. 3, ineffective training methods delivered to participants. 4, mundane and boring tasks during trainings. And there are a few more challenges that you can see here. So here we are, we work with training providers. For example, here you can see from the videos, we understand business users and trainees' pain point during trainings. The videos here are the session we had with the Petronas Leadership Center participants to understand and empathize business user needs, requirements following the design thinking approach. We included managers, executive and non-executives as to understand how virtual reality could transform trainings for all levels. This is when virtual reality VR training has the power to revolutionize and transform the training landscape. Many training providers now has realized the importance to embed innovative ways to support their training, which include VR trainings. VR training is an immersive learning experience that recreates real-life settings and simulate work challenges. It gives employees the chance to gain on-the-job training in a risk-free environment where they can learn by doing. Retention of skills learned in VR is high, meaning it is more likely to be applied in the workplace and ultimately lead to increased productivity. We received the grant from the Ministry of Higher Education with the title Conceptualizing a Framework for Sustainable Virtual-led Instructor Training Ecosystem with the amount of Ringgit Malaysia 112,000 to work on this project. Together with Petronas Leadership Center PLC and Center for Advanced and Professional Education CAPE, we have worked on the proof of concept of having VR for trainings. This VR courses training cost was approximately Ringgit Malaysia 51,000 during each courses, with VR platform being injected. This project has created a virtual reality training and learning platform, and now we are showcasing one of the module here on computer assembling and disassembling. It has the element of 3D modeling, in virtual world, real-time collaborative with the instructors and with peers, virtual hands-on, interaction, immersive, and fun learning. We get good comments and feedback, as for example from one of the representatives from Intel who viewed and gave feedback on this module. It has the element of virtual learning by doing and interaction that is created with the element of real-time collaboration. Instructors could communicate and teach trainees virtually, while trainees also have the opportunity to talk and meet virtually with their peers. This creates an interesting platform for training that eliminates the feeling of bored, loss of guidance, or working in silos. This VR application has been filed for copyright protection. We also include a virtual sports modules that trainees can join and play games such as basketball, bowling, archery, and more. Trainees can play these virtual games with peers, instructors. This is especially designed to reduce work stress, prevent mental stress, release burnout that is currently faced by many white-collar workers. You may ask, why now training industry needs to have this immersive and transformative virtual training and learning platform? First, the virtual technology is ready to be exploited. 2, training companies can get a lot of data from this virtual training recorded and kept on cloud for something useful in the future when it is mined. 3, we have now all accepted the hybrid working environment. So training should also move to blended space in both face-to-face and virtual platform. From the survey collected with business users, we learned that about 39 of large organizations are ready and already leveraging on VR technologies to facilitate trainings in simulated environment. Number 2, VR training gives a lot of flexibility in terms of time, cost, and conducting training from anywhere. 3, it reduces the occurrence of workplace injuries by 43%. 4, VR training yields a 75% learning retention rate higher than almost any form of other types of trainings. Finally, enterprise VR programs so far show that they improve productivity by an average of 32%. The target market would be the technical training providers, and our business model is annual subscription to the VR training platform. We target about 1% participants attending the training in a year interested to utilize the VR technology. For the SOM, serviceable obtainable market, it is obtained from one organization, which is Petronas Leadership Center, which is about USD 13.8K. Next, for the SAM, serviceable available market, it is targeted at about 5% out of the 1,000 organizations that focuses on technical trainings, which is about 50 organizations worldwide, approximately 23,000 users, and it is targeted about USD 690K. As for the TAM, total available market, it is targeted to reach 25% of the market at about 115K users, approximately USD 3,450,000 is targeted on target from the subscription fees. Having VR training and learning platforms supports sustainability and environmental friendliness, which include number 1, it is a platform that is free from risk for training personnel, as it is not occurring at the site itself that is prone to bad weather, landslides, or any other risks. Number 2, it is a digital platform and virtual platform that eliminates travelling to the real site, which reduces carbon footprints, yet still maintaining ongoing trainings remotely through web and virtual platforms. In the long run, it will be a sustainable virtual training platform that has a lot of modules being included, and there could be a sharing of knowledge asset worldwide that could be reused, recycled, renewed, and customized according to business user needs. Our target, together with training providers, is to elevate and transform training and learning landscape with virtual reality and immersivity for better knowledge retention, learn, unlearn, relearn among our current and future workforce. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.